guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you guys my June Allure Beauty Box, and let's see what we got inside. I actually got it pretty early. What is today? Today's the 15th, so it actually came pretty early. It actually came in, I think, yesterday. Let's see what is in this month's box. You get beauty samples, sometimes full-size products in here every month for $15. And I think your first box, if you sign up, is $10. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. As always, it's got the hashtag Allure Beauty Box in there. So let's go ahead and just see what we got in here. I'm gonna start off with this little coupon thing that's just sitting at the top there. So this is a Bubble Bar coupon. I've never tried Bubble Bar, but I've heard so many things about it. And this is a jewelry place, so you get a $20 gift toward your full price order on baublebar.com, so that's pretty cool. Then you have your little magazine with cute little picture in there. She's so pretty. Has a little bit about your items that you've received in the box. So I'm not gonna look at that now. As always, I don't wanna know. There's a loose item in here, so we're gonna look at that first. And then this month's box is lime, like a limey green. Yeah, lime green color. It's pretty cute. And you also get something else in here. So what is this? Summer Glow Guide. Exclusive offers inside. So there's enjoy 20% off your total purchase at Solid and Striped. Never heard of that. So yeah, you get a few little coupons in here. That's pretty cool. They never put like a little coupon book in here before. And they're brands that I haven't really heard about. So that's cool. So the first thing in here is this item right here. This is, I don't even know what it is, but I'm showing it to you guys. This is SGX NYC. That's what it says on the thing. And this is the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Volume, refresh, hold, dry shampoo meets hairspray. Interesting. See if it smells like anything. Can you put it on dry hair? I'm assuming. Absorbs oil, soft hold, revitalized next day hair with instant freshness, full of texture and volume for that perfectly imperfect undone look. Shake well, whole can 8 to 10 inches from dry hair, and then spray focusing on roots. So pretty much you just put it on as a, am I spraying? Oh, it smells really nice and fresh. I'm like, let me get some in here. Do I look nice and poofy and refreshed? So this is actually on the back of the little magazine right there. So it just says the Do It All Dry Shampoo. It tells you about the ingredients, and I guess it's a new item because it says SGX presents the Do It All. I've never heard even of SGX NYC. Let me know down below if you have, because I actually like it. All right, so let's go ahead and open up our little pouch. So first thing in here, this is Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. This is one, never heard of it. Okay, so that's what the box looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up. Wow, this is an interesting, it's like a little tube like this, but then you've got, ooh. I was like, it doesn't really have a smell, but my sinuses have been killing me lately, so I can't really smell anything. But this is, it smells like vanilla-y. But these are some pretty colors. Let's look at this up close. The formula is thin, so it feels lightweight and comfortable on the lips. The dot foot applicators press the gloss on easily without creating a sticky mess, and the tube is squeezable. It is pretty cool. So you can use every single drop of product. That's pretty awesome. But the most winning feature has got to be the shine factor, which is somewhat between a balm and a gloss, and the price is $16. Let me try this on. I'm going to use my camera on my phone and see. I don't really do glosses anymore. I used to do them a lot when I was younger. But maybe I should. That's a nice shine on my lips now. All right, so that's pretty cool. It's a pretty interesting item. And the next thing in here is Avene Thermal Spring Water. These are one of those little, this is one of those cool little sprays to just kind of mist your water, to kind of just mist your face and refresh, you know, when you're hot. Or why is this, let's use a knife because that's safe, right? So just kind of refresh your face whenever you feel hot, especially in Texas. It gets so hot. It's good to have one of these on hand to just kind of spritz yourself with it. So it says hold upright, spray a fine mist onto skin, leave on for a few minutes and gently pat dry. Do I pat? Can I just? Ooh. Oh, that feels nice. Full size, it is $18.50. It says this hydrating facial mist will be in my purse from now until Labor Day. It's great for soothing hot, irritated skin. The can is filled with thermal spring water from Avene, France. Hence the name. The water there is naturally rich in minerals to help nourish sensitive skin. And it's truly only water. It's fragrance free. It's a great little pick-me-up in the middle of the day when you're just like, I need something sprayed in my face. Like usually for me after lunch, I'm like dead to the world. And you get in that slump where you're just like, I'm ready to just go take a nap. So this will be perfect for that. I'm probably gonna put this in my purse. All right, next item in here is a Brow Gal, which is, I think we've gotten a Brow Gal before. This is what that looks like. It's a little pencil. There we go. It's got a little brush right here at the end, a little spoolie. So on this side, you actually have like a little sharpener and the pencil, the actual pencil. It says medium brown, 04. So this is $23 and that's pretty much our box paid for. It has a perfect waxy consistency for creating unbelievable fullness that's not too heavy or too uniform. So that sounds great. I'm excited to try this on my eyebrows. We have two more things in here. So the next thing in here, I actually saw it earlier and I got a little bit excited. This is Moroccan Oil. Moroccan Oil. I've used this before and I absolutely love it for my hair because my hair for some reason sometimes it just goes through phases where it's like either really dry or really greasy. Now it's going through a phase where it's like really dry. So I'm excited to have this oil in my life right now. This is for all hair types and you can literally apply a small amount throughout damp or dry hairstyle as usual. The full size one is $44. The last thing in the little pouch is Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream by Context. I'm super excited for this because right now I do not have an eye cream. I do use a lot of Posh at the moment because I do sell Posh and I love Perfectly Posh, but I have not bought an eye cream yet from them. So until then, I will be using this because I'm not using anything on my eyes right now and my eyes have been so horrible lately. I've been getting like no sleep. My circles have been terrible. So hopefully this is for dark circles. Let's see. So this girl says, so this is the executive beauty director. She said, I love using it for midday touch-ups. I just squeeze out a drop and pat it over my 3 p.m. concealer. That's good to know. Interesting. A few soft taps even out late day crustiness. It's kind of what I have going on right now. Just late day crustiness. Wipe away mascara smudges and generally make my eyes look happy and hydrated again. It's also an Ace makeup base because ignore the name, it's not a cream, it's not a cream, it's a gel. It dries quickly but not tightly. And I noticed slight depuffing and subtle brightening immediately after using it. Its active ingredients are vitamin C and E, star antioxidants that guard against pigmentation and collagen and breakdown. That sounds really good. Should we put some on my 3 p.m. meaning 7? Oh god, a lot of it just came out. Here, I'm gonna use this. Pat some in under on my concealer. It is a really nice, like, I'm just using the viewfinder, so I'm just looking up. It does feel really refreshing. Like I just put, ooh, and really cooling. Does it look any different? I don't know. It does feel really nice on the skin though. So I'm excited to be using this as well. And that's everything in the box. That's everything in the June Allure Beauty Box. I'm so happy with it. I'm always so happy with this box, and this is why I keep being subscribed to it, because it's just one of the best boxes. I feel like this was a really nice box. Definitely worth the $15. There's a few products in here that already pays for that $15 and more. So I definitely recommend it. If you're not yet subscribed to Allure Beauty Box, then go ahead and do so. I will leave a link down below for you guys to do that. And yeah, let me know if you are also subscribed already and if you've received the same items as I have. If not, let me know what was different. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.